To begin, open the X app on your phone. Next, tap your account icon in the top left corner. A menu will appear. Tap Settings and Support. Then select Settings and Privacy. Next, navigate to Privacy and Safety. Under the Your X Activity section, select Mute and Block. Then select Muted Words. Review how it works, then tap Got it. Tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner to proceed. Now, enter the word, phrase, username, or hashtag you want to mute. Then, choose where you want to mute it. If Home Timeline is checked, the content won't appear in your feed. And keep the slider on next to Notifications to stop receiving alerts. You can also choose who the word will be muted from, whether it's from anyone or just people you don't follow. Then, select the mute duration. Forever, 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. Finally, tap Save to apply the mute. Your mute settings will take effect immediately, helping you control what appears in your feed and notifications. Repeat the same steps to add more muted words, phrases, usernames, or hashtags. To delete any muted words, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then select Edit. Then, choose the muted words you want to remove, and tap Delete. From the confirmation window, tap Unmute. The word will be removed from your muted list, and you'll start seeing content containing it again. So that's how you can mute words and control your X feed and notifications.